You're using a water pick to get in some difficult places. Using warm water here. Wow. Find somewhere else. This is the most difficult part to get normally when you're cleaning with a brush. We'll try to stop from using air. Well, it's a little messy, but I've got it in a tub here, and it actually did a very good job. You can see in there. Right in that area. And in that area, all the pencil shavings and whiteout that was in there. It blew it all out to bare metal. I'm happy.